Hey, what you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? What you gonna do today? And what you gonna... Yo!
Hello.
Hi.
My name's Pete.
And I'm Ryan.
We're here to talk to you about chemistry.
And we're cousins.
That we are. Ryan here is going to talk to you about matter, while I talk to you about...
That I am.
Talk to you about chemical names and formulas, and the element. Just overall basic layers of chemistry.
Alright, Petey. So,
Let's start it
A3.
off, Ryan. We get this information
From
a textbook.
Living by Chemistry.
Living by Chemistry, first edition.
Mm.
We're here to talk to you about...
We're here to talk about chemical language, mostly. But I'm going to start off by just defining one of the main, components of chemistry, which is the property of matter. So, the property of matter is taking up space and having substance. So, pretty much so, like, this is the difference between, like, music. Music can, we can hear it, we can perceive it, but it doesn't have any substance. We can't capture music unless you're recording it, but then again, it's not really working that way. So, anyways, moving on, volume is actually the amount of space something takes up. So we can actually measure this two ways. We can use it... Anyways, we can measure it using a meter stick, or we can measure it using a graduated cylinder, and when we drop an object into the graduated cylinder, we can see how much water it displaces, and thus we can find the volume of the object we are trying to do this. So, since density is mass over volume, we can also define matter as something that has density because it has both of these properties, Pete. So I understand, Pete, that you wanted to talk to us about A6, which is
you know what? Let me just take it from here, Ryan.
Oh, Pete, please.
I just don't want to leave the audience hanging here. A6. Now let me tell you. It's a doozy. Start off with chemical names and symbols. You know what? No. Let's start off with the element. The element. It's a building block of materials used of all matter. There are about 118 known elements, and they can all be seen on the periodic table of elements. Alright, let's get into the interesting stuff. Chemical symbols. Every element has a chemical symbol, either consisting of 1 to 2 letters. The first letter is always capitalized, and if there is a second letter, 100% of the time is lowercase. Now, elements can combine together to create compounds, and every compound also has a chemical formula, which is the chemical symbols combined of the two elements, or the multiple elements that combine to make the compound. Every compound now, if you look at a compound and it has a letter in parentheses, that means that it, the reason why it has that letter in parentheses is the physical form. It's the phase that the compound is in. Now, the possible letters you'll see are either S for solid, L for liquid, G for gas, or AQ for aqueous. That is the basics of the names and symbols. There's not much more to talk about. Most people get confused about aqueous because the majority of the people know what a solid, a liquid, or a gas looks like, but aqueous is the form of when it dissolves in water and forms a clear mixture. That's aqueous for you. And you know what? That's A6 for you too. So.
Well, everyone, so we're gonna wrap it up. So we really thank you for your very valuable time watching this video, and you know,
Yeah.
I wanted to say a little hello to Period 7. You guys rock. Anyways, Pete, you got anything to say?
That link was creepy.
You're
That's what
creepy,
I have
Pete.
to say.
How about that one? That one was roguish. I fell down. It's good though. It's good.
Did you break it?
No, it's good. It just kind of bent it. No, it's fine.